My name is Jess Bybee. I graduated from Monmouth College in 2014 with a degree in English. I'm currently a student in the writing program at Second City in Chicago, and when I finish there, I hope to be a staff writer on a television show. At Second City, the core sketch comedy program is 6 8-week courses. They're once a week for 3 hours, so I go in with a script in hand. Whatever we happen to cover the week before is the script that I bring, and then we cast out our scripts to our classmates who perform our scripts for us so that we can hear it, hear if jokes land. And then once everyone's performed, we talk about what worked and what didn't, and then we move on to the next form. And they kind of like to throw you into the deep water right off the bat at Second City, and then you learn to swim from there. So they kind of just said, write it, we'll come in and perform it. If they flop, they flop. If they don't, good job. I was a little nervous that I would be behind everyone else. I was kind of worried just because I have an English degree. So going into a performance-oriented space, I was very intimidated. But it turns out that writing-wise, I'm hanging with the big dogs. You know, I'm hanging out with kids that went to Harvard and Columbia University and UCLA, and I'm right there with them. So I think that my writing background here at Monmouth, even though I just took 2 creative writing classes, really helped me in that area. I'm doing well there. I was lucky enough to find in Monmouth a group of people, professors and classmates, that made me feel brave every day, and I think that in order to kind of follow the career aspirations that I'm following, I have to be brave every day, and I definitely found that at Monmouth. I felt confident and brave every single day. Monmouth has this really cool way of kind of building up students. It's very personal education that you receive, and the small class sizes, that was huge for me, and I really wanted to know my professors. And that was where the confidence came in my academic work, was because I knew that I had professors that would help me if I was struggling, and so that was huge. The sense of community that you get from that, the intimacy of the class sizes. Also, the community of Monmouth is a great little place for this college. It's full of people who are supportive and generous, and without whom I wouldn't have some of the things that I have in my life now. So I think that Monmouth is a perfect place to go to college.